Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Friday, the 17th of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's have a look at these figures. Getting excited whenever I get a chance to look at these every morning. Let's do this. So we've got Core Coin BTC SegWit protocol at $21,036. Obviously that's come down from a high of around 60 grand. And literally there's got no data flowing through that network whatsoever. The transactions are economically worthless ever since they implemented SegWit on the 24th of August 2017, which segregated the digital signatures from the transaction data, meaning you can't legally prove who sent you the data. So there is no legal recourse. It has no economic value whatsoever. In fact, it removed every last bit of economic fundamental value from that chain. It is now economically worthless, which means that price of $21,036 is a speculative price worth fundamentally zero. It's really not looking good at all. Same with Bcrash, they are deleting transaction data. Fisher Price Cash, I won't even go there because I can't be bothered wasting my time. Then we've got Bitcoin, the original protocol. It goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth. The only thing that's happened is that it's had to change its ticker symbol on its third time. First of all, it started out as BTC. Then on the 1st of August 2017, it changed to BCH. Then on the 15th of November 2018, it changed to BSV. That's all that's happened. The protocol remains the same. It's had a ticker symbol change and a price change. You can now pick up the genuine Bitcoin for just $53. That is insane. So let's have a look at these figures in. So we've got hash rate 0.42. That's gone up. That's gone up from like 0.04, I think it was. So that's really interesting. We'll keep an eye on that and the profitability because that is going to be key. Network nodes 0.47, transactions though 72%, and block size, which is the data flowing through the chain, 98.67. So remember, it is transactions that upload the data. It is the transactions that are processed by the network nodes. It is the network nodes that supply the hash rate that cracks the SHA-256, and the hash rate is attracted to the price. But everything comes down to data volume. And can you see where the data is? Yes, everything is coming over because these are data management networks. That's what blockchain technology is. It allows for immutable data to be created and stored. It is absolutely sensational. Let's have a look at the blocks coming through here. Oh, nice one. I can see a gigabyte block. Very good. Some big blocks here from Tau. Nice ones. Look at this. Tau, an unknown miner, and SV Pool. Very good. Very good. Loving that. So hash rate, you can see that the BSV hash rate actually overtook Bcrash for a very brief moment, but if it's done it once, it will do it again. Well, in fact, we know it's going to do it again anyway. And then they turn their hash rate up just because they think that hash rate is an indicator. It's vanity. Remember, profit is sanity. Turnover is vanity. And hash rate is vanity. You know, it literally, this is it. So what we need a new slogan. So data, or I should say, hash rate is vanity, block size is sanity. That's what it is. That's going to be my title for the show. Yeah. Hash rate is vanity, block size is sanity. There we go. Loving that. So yeah, hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value, and it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom, next. Proof of work by network. Again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin, which is BSV. Look at this. So it's currently 11,176 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Corecoin. And it's smashing these other security offerings out of the water. Literally, whoa, look at this. It is currently 8% more profitable to mine on SV. I'm very much looking forward to seeing the hash rate in the pie chart down when we get to the bottom here. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, Bitcoin smashing it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin app winning. Transactions per block by network, Bitcoin winning. Fees on their way down, transaction fees, loving that. Fees SirToshi's on their way down, amazing. Fee to block reward ratio on the way up, chasing Corecoin BTC, we will get there, oh yeah. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. If you want to know what the price is going to do, just have a look at this chart. Let's see how far the chain has grown now. Where are we? This was 4.19 yesterday. It's now 4.2. 4.2 terabytes. Remember, that was 4.19 terabytes. It's now 4.2 terabytes. Absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. Right, here we go. This is what I want to have a look at. This is a global hash rate, 7 days. Global hash rate, 24 hours. Other mining pools. Oh, come on, CoinDance. Come on. Here we go. Global hash rate, 7 days. Global hash rate, 24 hours. Other mining pools with 2.38%. This is a Corecoin BTC. Oh, other miners have jumped back on there just to maybe lower the profitability. Who knows? 3.47%. Still quite big, really. I mean, look, it's just above BTC.com. B crash, so other miners with 45.38%. Fisher Price Cash, really not bothered about that. Just really just keeping an eye on Hathor there. Whoa, look at this. This is absolutely massive. So this is why I'm getting excited about this. Tal's hash rate here at 24.3. That is their maximum output. That is their maximum capacity. It's the same with SV Pool. These are both maximum capacity outputs and hash rate. They are mining Bitcoin 100% BSV. No other security offerings changed. No shitcoin chain whatsoever. SBI Crypto, again, that's being controlled. Pro hashing, who knows about them. But it's other mining pools that is the variable here. Other mining pools have got a huge amount of hash rate. I've seen other mining pools with more hash rate than Foundry USA pool. And they're here with like 18.75. I've seen other miners with as high as 19, 20% down here. Absolutely massive. And so this is the variable that we're looking at here. And they've literally had to squeeze the hash rate on Bitcoin. So they've got 47.2% of the hash rate to try and keep the profitability down. And it's still 8% more profitable to mine on SV. This is absolutely huge. Absolutely huge if you have a fundamental understanding of the technicalities of what you're looking at. That's why I'm trying to explain it. Like I said, I'll just repeat this one more time because I'm getting excited. Tal is the benchmark. They are fixed. SV Pool is fixed. It's other miners which is the variable. And they're the ones that have had to switch their hash rate up to 47% just to try and keep a lid on the profitability. Look at the profitability. It's massive. And they're trying to they're squeezing the other miners just to keep their profitability in check. Like, this is absolutely huge. Hold on to your seats, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm telling you, it is coming. Oh my goodness me. Right, wow, this is brilliant. Right, let's move on. Here we go. So transactions, look at this. BitInfo charts reporting transactions. Bitcoin now with 25.8% of the overall transactions on the entire network. Are we competing with Ethereum? Coming for you. Ethereum with 28.6 and XRP with 30.3. Again, just completely fictitious transactions on XRP. It's a spreadsheet. There's a limit as to how much they can do because it's a single entity. You need a globally distributed, lots of mining companies, generating transactions on the network. A single company just simply cannot produce the volume of transactions that the Bitcoin network will be able to produce, with it being a globally distributed mining network, and deal with all the volume of transactions. It's just phenomenal. So if you're wondering what these transaction processors look like, These are them. It blows my mind every time. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet, run on proof of work, which is the only way to have an economically competitive distributed network. Otherwise, you just simply get centralization through proof of work, which is economically worthless because it's centrally controlled. Without competition, you simply get collusion, and collusion is central control. That is it. I mean, this is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Let's have a look at Chainalytics then. Loving this. Block size average 130. So Corecoin BTC behind that, literally with maybe just a little over 1% of Bitcoin. Honestly, absolutely hilarious. And the average transaction fee so low. We'll actually have a look at that on what's on chain, because the transaction fee, they've rounded it down. It's just simply too low to even express one. Absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. Let's have a look at Coin Carbon Cap. So again, look at this. It's either a conspiracy or literally the efficiency of BSV is too efficient for them to even list. I mean, look at this. This is ridiculous. So it says absolute transactions, megawatt per hour. Bcrash likes to think that they're efficient. Not 99.9. So if they're 99.9, what I suppose absolute transactions by megawatt hour has BSV got? It's so low, or it's so high in terms of like the comparison here that it would blow the others out of the water. Literally blow them out of the water. I mean, look, absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. Conspiracy could well be. I mean, why aren't the figures here? It's because it would be embarrassing for all these dirty shit coins. That's what it is. They are dirty shit coins. They are so inefficient, and they have no economic value whatsoever. So literally all they are is a complete waste of energy and a distraction away from the original protocol, which is the genuine Bitcoin. That is BSV. Let's have a look at Scaling Test Network. Figure's still the same. BSV data. Here we go. Average data. Meta ID producing 6.5 gigabytes. Applications just quickly. Crypto. Whoa, what is this? What is this? 97,198. I'm sure that was 78,000, something like that yesterday, and there was 68 the day before. Now it's 97,000 transactions on a daily basis. That growth is absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. My goodness. I mean, again, that's what's showing on BitInfo charts. Wow. This is amazing. Amazing. Trends.cash. Abstracted by money spent, TDXP up in DXS, absolutely macking it. Remember, dirty traders can be unsullied on DXS app because you are not dumping the asset. You're just simply trading derivatives, which means you don't devalue the asset. So all traders should be on trading on DXS app. Absolutely brilliant platform. Apps ranking by performed actions. Run and Crypto Fights back on there, macking it hard. Beautiful. Crypto Quant, so this is all exchanges reserves. Look, the exchanges reserves have been cashing out, but why has the price been going up? Because Tether's been pumping it, but it's not been pumping it no more because Tether is starting to lose its peg. Oh dear. Oh dear. Let's have a look at what's on chain. Here we go. Memory pool currently 5.9 gigabytes. I wonder if we can actually see. So over a million transactions in the last 24 hours. Sensational stuff. Sensational stuff. Let's have a quick look at these blocks here. So average fee 0 USD. That's hilarious. Look, a total fees in the block just 83 cents. But I mean, look at that. Look, USD fee. It's so small. It's so small. It's actually rounded down to the nearest denominator, which is 0. That's hilarious. That is, phenomenal as well. Let's have a look at the BSV Whale wallet. Check it out. No more movement since the 11th of June. Always interesting to look at that. See when it wakes up. the morning run. So we look. I don't know what this is. Look, we've only had 5,895 purchases of Bitcoin over the last 24 hours, allegedly, apparently, according to Morning Run. Not sure what's going on there. Let's have a look at the short positions just quickly before we go on to prices. So the genuine Bitcoin short positions have flattened out. Again, dirty traders going to get absolutely wrecked. Longs along the bottom. And look at the short positions that they're thinking, that indicating that the price is going to go down. These are just short positions. Absolutely ridiculous. Cool coin BTC, longs are going up, but then now they've flattened out. Shorts, where they were, short positions are going to be massive soon on that. Knowing you're looking at the hash rate and the profitability, oh my goodness me. CoinGecko, so how are we feeling about it today? CoinGecko, feeling good. 88%, oh yeah, loving that. Here we go. Let's have a look at live coin watch then. So look at the price chart going upsy downsies and all that. Price of $52. Depth chart. There we go. This is going up. So 2.3 million bids versus 2 million asks. Let's have a look. See where Bitcoin is in the chart rankings. Still at 44. Right. Well, let's have a quick look at USDD. See what peg this is at now. Oh, over 24 hours. So it's still lost its peg. It's at 0.97. Oh dear, oh dear. I mean, that's really not looking good at all. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin price. Look at all these candles heading north. Again, price being artificially suppressed. It's coming. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus Coolcoin BTC. Oh, yeah, still trending upwards. Still trending upwards just slightly. We'll take that. We will take that. Let's have a look at Coinbase Global then. Look at still on the way. 85% down. It is still tanking. It is still tanking. MicroStrategy, yep, tanking even further. Still on its way down. Oh my goodness me. Right, I've been going for 16 minutes. We'll try and finish the show. Look, 1,062 views of Silverfish. Loving that. Right, we'll leave it there. I hope you enjoyed the show as ever. Be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.